absolutely nothing at all. Didn't keep it near the sink. Didn't water it. Didn't spray it. Now this place that I'm in is isn't temperature controlled or anything like that. So this was exposed to the elements, and it was very humid yesterday and today. But here's what we got. These are Mediterranean oysters, and as you can see, they got a little bit of brown on them. The cooler the temperatures are when you fruit these, the browner these come out to be. So if it's really hot, they'll be just white, just like the bottom. But it was a little bit chillier at night and stuff, so we got pretty cool colors on this. But this is a lot of mushrooms here. So with the grow kits, you're going to get, this is just the first flush. You can see the flush is about the same size as the bag, although I'm sure it weighs significantly less. Ideally, I should have came to my storage unit probably yesterday and picked these before they curled up like this. Once they start to curl up like this, they start to sporulate and they start their journey towards decomposition more. So if you pick them a little bit before this, they're a little more ideal. But of course, you can pick them later than this. They'll keep growing and getting bigger, maybe another 20%, but they won't last as long in the fridge. So if I pick these today, they'll probably still be good to eat in a week from now, which I'm about to pick them. So I guess I'll just show you guys how that would work. Okay, so I picked it off, and here's what we got. 1 pound, 1.6 pounds, which is about 26¼ ounces. That's the first flush. So we'll get at least another half decent one, and then they'll start to get a little bit smaller after that. The next flush could be the same size as this, but generally they are smaller.